How to get free Upwork promo codes for connects. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Upwork promo codes so in 2025. So first of all, you need to come to Google, and after that you have to search for Upwork coupon code, and after pressing on enter you can see there are multiple web links here with the coupon codes of Upwork. So let's just open the first ones like simply codes, then what the penny, and then honey Upwork coupons. So just get into the what the penny. As you can see, there are multiple coupon codes here like 20% off, 20% off, 10% off, and sale, and for free, and 15% off, and all. You can just simply click on here, and after clicking on copy, you just paste it on your Upwork and redeem the coupon from there. And after that, if we review on simply codes here, we can also see some 20% off, 10% off, 20% off coupon codes. And if we click on show more, there will be many more like $5 off, special offer, and all. The method is also the same. You just have to click on view code from here, and it will directly redirect you to Upwork, as you can see, and it will automatically paste the coupon there. And if not, then you can just click on copy and manually put it on your Upwork and redeem the coupon. And on the joinhoney.com, you can also see earn 15% cashback, hire via Upwork, sale, and you can just click on get deal. It will redirect to upwork.com, or it can just simply copy the code and paste it to your Upwork and redeem the coupon. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.